So I've used this man's traffic before, Dawid. It's obviously got the link to the business, but that's what it is. It's a sort of rotator type traffic, and you submit your landing page, your URL, your funnel, whatever you're wanting to promote. It shows as rotators. It's 10 different rotators, but this is a kind of new one from him, and it's like 10 different sources. So he's telling you here it works in any niche, and it's coming from a rotator. Some there. So how that would work, it goes to your business and it rotates to the next link and to the next link, and that's how it is. So you get to go in 10 rotators, so you're going to get a wee bit of traffic. So it can be 200 a month, and it's just a one-time fee, and he's telling you quite clearly how to do it. Well, step one, you have to purchase the product, and then after that you just put in your URL, and step 3 you don't do anything. He's getting the traffic, and that's what people are getting from this traffic. So it's a kind of no-brainer getting it. So watch a wee video, hear what it's all about, and if you're interested you can get it.
This summer, do yourself a favour and choose a product that will last you all year, all the way until next summer, as a matter of fact. Welcome to Traffic Maniac. Hi, I'm Dawid Islam, and this summer deal is the lowest price that I have ever offered for one of my traffic products. You will get daily traffic sent to any URL of your choice from 10 different traffic sources, and the traffic won't stop for a full year. All you have to do is to decide which URL you want to send the traffic to, and then send it over to us. It really is as simple as that. You don't need to promote anything yourself. You don't need an email list. You don't need social media, nothing. Just send us your URL and we'll do all the rest. The traffic comes from our 10 best-selling traffic products of the past 12 months, plus one brand new traffic source that we've identified for this launch. You can see all the traffic sources on the sales page in full detail, but they include traffic from Traffic Maniac, Solos and Traffic 25, Dinosaur Traffic, Super Big 10 Traffic, Traffic Time 25, Big Traffic Bundle, New Year Success Kit, Big Monster Traffic 25, Black Friday Traffic, and Place Your Link 25, our all-time bestseller. So act now, but act fast. At the end of the launch period, the offer will go back up to our normal pricing, so don't get left behind. Give yourself the gift of all-year traffic that lasts a full 12 months. Take action now, and we'll see you on the inside.
So that's all you need to do, and you'll get traffic for a year, and you can read some of the in the sales page what it is and what you're getting. So if you're interested, you can get that in the link below. And if you don't have a business to promote, we have something very special for you as well, which would be suitable for Traffic Maniac. So you want to see it, get both, and we'll see you there.